Aku mau war takjil in sapawaruah. Saya mau beli bakso goreng.
Mau berapa porsi?
Satu.
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Say,
I'm his little brother.
Lebih seru mana, Indonesia atau Ceko?
Indonesia. Makanan, orang, budaya. Ting Ceko.
Cewek-cewek Bandung cantik.
A bit lah. This one.
Yes.
Oi. This. Oi. Okay. 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 Hari ini aku mau war takjil in where are we? Saparua in Saparua. Dan iya.
dan langsung aja kita jajan.
Okay, let's go. Which way? This way? Okay. So I'm not going to be speaking Indonesian the whole time because my Indonesian is terrible. We will try. Bakso goreng. Saya mau beli bakso goreng.
Mau berapa porsi?
Satu.
Satu porsi. Mau di mix atau mau bakso aja? Ada sempol ayam sama telur puyuh.
Bakso aja. Berapa?
15.000.
15? Wow.
Ya, terima kasih ya.
Thank you. Thank you. Bus track, never mind. Cannot. Not good. Cilok, we haven't buy cilok. So full. Martabak what?
Martabak telur.
Mister. Hi. What?
Martabak telur.
Aku mau martabak telur.
Pilih topping.
Topping. Oke. Patty, iya.
Beef burger.
Beef burger.
Dari negara apa?
Banyak.
Ceko. You know Ceko? Ceko? No? Ceko. But Ceko small ya?
Iya.
I suck ya, just saying Ceko.
Cewek-cewek Bandung cantik.
A bit lah.
Nanti main ke apa? Namanya apa? Bisa itu.
Where's that?
Nah, tempat aneh itu mah. Udah lama di Bandung.
What do I say? Lama.
Ya.
Iya, udah lama.
Udah berapa tahun?
10, 11, 15, 15.
Iya.
15.
15 tahun.
Iya,
Bisa bahasa Indonesia. Sedikit.
ya.
Siap. Udah ada ceweknya, yang ada yang suka. Banyak pasti, tapi nggak berani ngomong.
Iya.
Pasti. Di Indonesia ngapain?
How do I say? I don't know how to say it. Why am I in Indonesia? Konten.
Oh,
Iya.
influencer.
Iya.
Mr. Thank you. Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Say,
I'm his little brother. Maybe.
Lebih seru mana, Indonesia atau Rusia? Rusia ya? Ceko.
Indonesia. Iya.
Serunya di apanya?
Makanan,
Makanan.
orang. What else? Ya.
budaya.
Budaya.
Alam.
Alam. Belum.
Ke daerah-daerah pantai-pantai gitu udah.
One time.
Pantai.
Once.
Mana itu?
Pangandaran.
Pangandaran. Harus ke pantai timur.
Where's that? Far ya.
Ya, apa?
Let's go. With George.
Ya.
Dan udah malam nanti besok.
You can take picture with paus.
Oh iya.
Ya.
Lumba-lumba.
Oh iya.
Bisa berenang bareng.
Let's go lah.
Nah, saya itu orang timur, makanya saya orang Ambon.
Dia orang timur.
Oh, no wonder.
Iya.
no spicy.
Ya.
Jangan pedas.
Ya. Berapa?
Yeah,
15.
15. Thank you. Nuhun.
Setingkat.
Very talkative. Now what? Last one where?
Pizza.
Where? Which one?
Mau yang mana?
Basmut sauce pizza.
Sos pizza.
Yes.
Ya. Ya, kita sudah
Nuhun. Where? Sop buah.
Kedua,
Iya. Satu.
kedua,
Satu.
dua.
Satu. Wait ya. Wait ya. Now we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 items. How many more? How many more we buy? Okay, so now we're gonna find. Wait. Okay, now we're at Pilor. Okay. Hai. Aku mau Pilor telur gulung.
Mau berapa?
10.000. Yes. Yes. Yeah. What ya?
Saus?
Yes. Thank you. One piece. That fire is amazing. Hi. I want cumi bakar.
Yes.
Yes.
One.
One. What?
Kamu nyobain kayak gitu. Let's go.
Gitu. What do I do? How?
Yeah.
Oh, what? This?
Yes.
This, okay. This one?
Yes.
Oi! This? Whoa, oi! Okay. 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 My God. Done here for you, yeah.
Spicy or not spicy?
Spicy or not spicy? No. Little bit.
This is so fun. Right?
What was that, bro? What the hell? I almost died. Yeah, mine was like that too. I did that. That was me. Oh, if George was here, really though. George was here, he can cook.
Seru ya.
Yeah.
What do you feel after cook?
That was crazy. But it was fun. Very fun. How much?
20,100.
Yes, 20,000. Okay.
Yes. Wait.
Okay. But it was worth it. I get to cook. Very nice. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Wait, one by one. One. Okay.
Ini yang paling enak.
Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items. Okay? We have sop buah. We have basmut? No?
Basmut pizza.
Basmut pizza. Telur guling. Bilor gulung. Cumi.
Martabak.
Oh ya, martabak. And this is bakso goreng. Okay? Before, I wanted to review over there, but look how busy. Yeah, so many people. So we're gonna review in the mall near here. Okay? See you guys there. Okay, that's right. Now, we just got back in the car. Right now, it is 6:14. That means it's time for us to buka puasa. Yeah. Okay. This is the one I cooked. Cumi bakar. Okay. Start with sop buah. My favorite. Okay, we have to be careful because it's very full. Okay, let's try. Let's see if it's better than the one in Cimahi last time. We start off with a strawberry. This way better than the Cimahi one, but not as good as mine and Misha's. Mine and Misha's still better. This is very good, very good. I'll rate this 9.8 out of 10. Okay, wait, one more. Sorry. Now we're gonna move on with the chumi that I cooked. Okay, it smells like a squid. Cumi is squid, yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good. It's spicy though, but it's pretty good. It has. Wait, we put our water over here just in case something's actually very spicy. Pretty good, pretty chewy. The sauce is pretty good. I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. Okay, let's move on. This one. Okay, next basmut. It's sharp. Oh, no wonder. It's this. Okay, let's take it out of the plastic. Damn, it smells very strong. It looks a bit yummy, but very messy. Okay, let's try lah. Okay, here we go. Which one do we take? Think the one with the stuff, yeah. No, that's huge. What the hell? There's not much sauce. Okay, here's basmut, pizza flavored. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Basmut. I don't really like it. I don't know why, but I don't like it. But it's okay. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. It's pretty good, but I wouldn't eat it while like watching YouTube, watching bukas aja. I wouldn't. Okay, so this 4 out of 10. Okay, next we go with our martsebak slower. Okay, let's try. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Tastes like egg, but it's good. I like it. There's a lot of egg and other stuff, yeah, but it's good. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's all for the martsebak telur. Okay, moving on. Okay, which one? Oh yeah, this one. Bilor gulung. Here's the bilor gulung. Let's take one. Which one? This one. Okay. Bilor gulung. Let's try. Hopefully it's not spicy. I mean, pretty good. I don't really like the sauce though, but it's pretty good. The egg, good. It tastes like normal egg. The sauce, not really me. I don't really like it. So I'll give it a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 for the telur. Balado. Bilor gulung, 6.5. Final one. Last final one. We have the peso goreng. It's huge. Oh. Did it come with a stick? No, yeah. Okay, we take a bite, yeah. Not full. It's too big. Okay, let's try. It's pretty good. I kind of like it, but it tastes very bland, which is normal, of course. But I like it. Very chunky, and it's worth the money. For the baso goreng, how much do I give you? Yeah, I'll give you 8.4. Okay, 8.4 for the baso goreng. And if I'm not mistaken, that's all. Yeah. Okay, so the number one is still the sop buah. Of course, I don't know why I love sop buah so much. That's my number one takjil. Okay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing the food we bought. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And in the next video, me and George might be selling takjil too. So if you guys are interested, comment down below and like the video. Okay, see you guys later. Bye bye.